Hey there, it's Andy at Parallax with a quick video guide to help you get started programming the Arduino in your BOE Shield bot with Codebender. Codebender is a web-based programming IDE Parallax makes available at no charge to teachers with classes that use Chromebooks to follow lessons in the curriculum accompanying the BOE Shield bot. If your class is using Chromebooks to program Parallax ShieldBot robots, here's a close-up of the address to this web page. Go here and then find and follow this link to request a license for your classroom. The license you will be using today is the Parallax course license we use for workshops. Here's a close-up of that link. Just open a Chrome browser and enter it. So let's go ahead and do that. https://edu.codebender.cc/class/gxrhz. That's Golf X-Ray Romeo Hotel Zulu. And now here we are at the Codebender programming IDE. Now, take a look up here. See how it says searching for app? If you don't already have the Codebender app installed, it's going to display this message saying to program your Arduino from your browser, install the Codebender app. And it gives you a link, which you can follow. And then when you get there, choose Add to Chrome. And it'll check your browser, ask you for confirmation that it's okay to talk to USB devices like your Arduino. And if you agree, go ahead and click the Add the App button. And then the Codebender app will appear in your Chrome /apps page. Now, going back to Codebender, it says that no ports are found. And that's probably because we have not plugged the Arduino into our computer yet. So let's do that next. One end here goes into the computer. And the other end of the cable, of course, goes into the Arduino. And get the cable out of the way. And after some fumbling with the cable that got edited out, here we are with the Arduino connected. The Codebender page will show a COM port drop down, and I recorded this with Windows. This will look a little bit different in your Chromebook, but something should show up here in place of the message that no ports were detected. Before loading any code into the Arduino, we also need to select a board. And for our workshop, that's the Arduino Uno that came in your kit. So click the drop down and scroll to find the Arduino Uno. There we are. Okay, so now we're ready to try an example sketch to make sure that the Codebender page can load the sketch into the Arduino, and also that the Arduino can send terminal data back to the page that we can display and see. That's what we need to verify before the class starts. Here is the test sketch that I'd like you to try out. It comes from page 19 of the Robotics with the BOE ShieldBot textbook that accompanies the kit that you received in your mail, hopefully late last week. most of the code has already been, or rather the parts that appear in every Arduino sketch are automatically added, and so all we have to do is enter the relevant statements, starting with serial.begin 9600 to establish a serial connection, or to tell the Arduino that it needs to start sending serial data to the port that it's connected to via USB, and also on a couple of its pins. Secondly, we need to send a message that will display in the terminal. So serial.print hello. Couple things to check before you click the, well, we can verify the code, but first of all, make sure you capitalized the S in serial in both of those serials, and that you used a semicolon after each statement, or at the end of each statement. And also, these are double quotes, not two apostrophes. It's the quotation mark. After checking that, we can use the Verify Code button to make sure that we didn't make any mistakes in our program. Verification successful, so it's ready to go. This button will load the program into, or the sketch into the Arduino. And as soon as Codebender displays this upload successful message, it means that the compiled image of the sketch has been transferred to the Arduino. And so if we look in the serial monitor, after clicking connect, which restarts the Arduino sketch, it displays the hello message. And this is the crucial step I want to make sure that everybody has completed before the class starts on Monday. So if you have any, if you run into any challenges with this, please do reach out to me. If you're watching this video, you've got my email. So please contact me. I'll want to make sure to get you unstuck before everything starts on Monday. Also about this warning, before physically disconnecting the Arduino here, make sure to click this disconnect button. And now it's safe to go ahead and disconnect the USB port right here. Alrighty, that concludes this video guide, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all at the workshop starting Monday.